if I try to move a troop to a spot and then try to move it again to a different spot, it kind of freaks out and it tries to go to both places at the same time. Let me turn on the server so that we can see that. I think the solution here would be to store the destination on the troop object, and then we can update it whenever we click a new spot on the map. That way it just overwrites the old destination and there's no like collision of I don't know where to go. So let's do it by moving down to the far left and then the far right top. So we see it's trying to go to both places and that's just not correct. Yeah, so it's teleporting and whatnot. We don't want that. Instead, let's take a look at our move function, see how it's working. So we've got payload and cell. So that's where the unit is currently. Or is that the destination? Yeah, that's the destination. Troop.position is where the troop is currently. Okay, so what we can do is save cell to our database as the troop's destination. And then when we do the set timeout, we'll reference the destination instead of the cell. That could work, but I'm also seeing maybe there's a better solution than what I just said. Let me think about it. We might not need to involve the database for this. We could just aim for the new cell and ignore the old cell. So if we were to say, don't call move troop again, if a new cell has been clicked, that would work too. And that would prevent making an additional call to the database, which just takes like time to do. And we want our app to be as efficient as possible. So let's see, how can I go about that? The problem here is when we make the new click, we lose track of the old destination, so we can't like compare the two. In order to compare the two, it needs to be stored somewhere, which means it needs to be stored in the database, which means we're back to square one. So I think I'll just do what I originally suggested. trying to optimize, but didn't quite happen there. Okay, so we can start this off by adding a destination to each individual unit. That'll be similar to position. Destination, we want X and Y. And also update our types. And update our front-end types. This needs to change branch name. What's the branch name? Save destination when moving troop. Okay, types. Okay, that looks good. So we can use it now in our request here. We have cell. We want to save it pretty much immediately. So we can do, where was it? This thing? Pretty much, yeah, similar. but we don't actually care about the return value, so we can delete that. We're gonna update the current player. Oh, wait a sec. Game ID. Oh, yeah, that's correct. Maybe this is a bit much. I don't think we need to do. Oh, no, wait. And that is correct. And in fact, I just need to change this to cell.x and this to cell.y. And I need troop, which is that. We could simply move this higher up. But current player. Oh, we can't do that. Okay, so we can move this lower. That will work too. And async that. Okay. So when we problem. How do I access this destination? This should be destination. All right, so I updated the database, but I lost track of destination. I mean, I could save this to a variable. Okay, let's do that. Const aim updated equals that. Const destination equals aim updated players dot find player where player dot id triple equals to current player id, and then after that find dot units 0 dot position destination. That will get us our destination. And then destination would replace cell. Okay, so with that said, I can now also check, and better yet, let's put this into a variable. Const is destination reached. So that's the opposite case. We're just gonna flip this around. Wait, that is not exactly true, is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, so if not destination reached, then we're gonna call this again. And also now we could check is destination changed, which is destination.x not equal to cell.x or destination.y not equal to cell.y. So if not destination reached and not is destination. Wait, does that make sense? I mean, we're definitely changing the destination on the second click. I don't think this makes sense. I should write some English before I proceed. So what am I trying to do? If troop move twice, ignore the original destination. Okay, so what we can do is if the destination is not reached and we try to move again, then yeah, we go with the new destination, which is this. So this should not have a bang. So destination not reached and destination changed, then we call this. What if it's the other way around? If destination is not reached and destination is not changed, then we call this. Yeah, that's never going to happen. So I think this we can test. Okay, let's move you. That's not moving. Yeah, that's not moving. Uh-oh. Yeah, it's broken. So wrong logic. Ah, this destination change. Maybe I need to attach a date created, because then if I have that, then I can always use the latest. Maybe. Is this right? We have the latest destination, which is ignore all the old stuff. Yeah, I think that's valid. Let's go to front end types. And our request here, we're going to add a DT created. And instead of destination change, this would be is latest destination. And that would just be This gave me a better idea. So instead of using a database like we can just pass in the date created from the front end of like the date, well, basically the moment the destination was clicked. And then with that information, we can just compare our cell.dt created to no, never mind. That wasn't going to go anywhere. Okay, so let's keep going with this. Is latest destination. So destination dot I don't know where I'm going with this. Do I need an array of all the previous destinations? I feel like that's overkill. I don't want that. I just want the latest destination and then compare it with what was received. The problem, though, is that's always going to be true because I literally just created this destination, so it's always the latest. So if it is always the latest, then I shouldn't need to check it at all. Right? Right. I believe so. Oh, but what I can check is const is cell destination, which is going to be cell.x triple equals to destination.x, and cell.y triple equals to destination.y. So any outdated cell we're ignoring, and the cell destination. Yeah, that should do it. No? Oh, darn. Okay. Is destination reached? Destination.x equals troop. So that's definitely false. Is cell destination. Cell.x triple equals destination.x. I feel like this should be true, but I guess maybe it's not. Let's do some console logging. Oops, didn't mean to do that. Yeah, it doesn't want to move. Okay. Oh, error. What's this? Units of undefined. current player dot units. Destination. This maybe game dot updated dot players dot find player. Wait, destination equals. That should just be. I already know the destination. That's just so. Okay, that is not accurate. So I wanted the destination that's coming from the database. Game updated dot players dot find player player dot id equals current player dot id, but this is undefined, and that is same as before when you turn it into JSON. Still nothing. Okay. So false and true is what I expected, but what is this? Cannot read property X of undefined. Destination is undefined, I suspect. So console on that. X is undefined. Game JSON dot players player dot ID current player ID. Okay. I want to know. What do I want? Actually, maybe I want to refactor this whole thing. So we can instead say const current player equals to game JSON find player dot ID triple equals a current player ID, and with current player then we could find other players. Player where player dot ID not equal to current player ID. This is dot players dot find, and then I could delete that and move this down here. No, here. Oh, but I need current player. Huh, that's annoying. Who needs it? Troop. What if I delete that? I don't think I need it. Yeah. And then we can put that here. So let's see, other players. Okay. Being used. Why did I even need that? Other players? Anywhere? No, nowhere. So I could just straight up delete that. Game updated will set our destination. I don't think I even need this date created. I'll hold on to it until I know for sure I don't need it. And then we have game JSON, and then we have the updated current player. Off of our updated current player, we can do .units at index 0, which is our first unit, and then .destination. And even better, if we just move that up, then we could say destination, which is essentially the same thing, right? Yeah, it is. Okay. Sweet. That's probably better than before. So let's do refresh. Oh my goodness. What happened? X of undefined. Who's undefined? Yeah, don't say. Okay. So what is calling X? Position, destination. So either one of these, but it all stems from current player. So let's console log here, console log here, console log there, and we'll just return so that there's no errors. Try it again. Okay, kill that and start it again. Whoa, okay. Does not like that. Something. Now I want to know what's payload. All right. So we have game current player ID cell. Cell as in destination. Okay, that's reasonable so far. Let's keep going. I want to see what is game updated, and then game JSON, and then current player. Yeah. Does not like that. Cannot read property X of undefined. Oh, that's a front end error. If cell.x triple equals enemy.position, line 36. Okay. If I return, then the front end doesn't learn about what's happening here. So something is undefined on the front end, which means app will crash. So I can't just return. But then I do want to know what is going wrong on the back end. Okay. What? That's wild. What's going on? X of undefined. Destination. Shoot.destination game.updated. Perhaps. Let's see, what is data? That's defined, which is good. That's also defined. Wait, destination 50. Oh, the other one doesn't have a destination. So we need a default destination. Or if destination is not found, then don't do anything to it. Yeah, we could do it like that. That's interesting. Destination is on the troop, right? So like troop.destination compared to troop.position. Yeah, troop.destination. Okay. The problem here is troop.destination has to be defined, otherwise we can't recall this function. Right. Troop must exist and destination must exist. Otherwise, troop.destination cannot get passed in again. So, hey, wait a second, this is an object. So, oh shoot. So, okay. Eesh. We have current player. We have game JSON. Cannot read property X of undefined. Troop. Do we have troop? That is the real question here. Yeah, we do. But there is no destination. Oh. There's position, ID, title. I wonder. Unit, destination, number, DT created. That looks okay though. Position, ID, title, status. Find one and update current player ID. Set players at current player ID. Units 0. Destination X. Cell.x. Y is cell.y. DT created is date.now. I don't need DT created. And it looks like delete that. Delete that. That won't solve our problem though. What the heck? So troop is not getting updated. So like this set timeout is troop.destination. Troop.destination. This question mark. I don't think we need. What? Troop is not getting updated. Game JSON. Players. Find player. So I want to know current player. Set units 0 dot destination. Delete that. Delete that. Troop just refuses to update. Why? Oh my god, okay, I see. Turn new true. Without that, I'm not getting an updated version of the data. Oh my goodness. Okay, that should have solved it. That's maybe like the second time I fell for that. Okay, now let's move It's not moving, but at least it's not crashing either. Okay, well, we have troop and destination, which is good. Is destination reach false? Is cell destination the same? This is false and true, so it should have moved. Oh. According to this data, it did move. Yeah. Oh, it did move. That's weird. All right, let's move again. Okay. Now the question is, if I move to two different places, what will you do? It's still glitching. Aw, man. So what happened? Is destination reach, is cell destination the same? True, true, false, true. Let's try that again. So if I want to go all the way down there, okay, and then I want to say I want to go all the way up there. You know what happened? Is destination the same? False. Is cell destination the same? True. Well, that should have been false. And it didn't even end up at the right spot. This bit is always true. It should not always be true. So, cell is payload. We have a set timeout. Yeah, that shouldn't be true. Oh. I think I see what's going on. So the set timeout is getting, all right, let's start from top. So we pass in the new destination that gets passed into the set timeout, but it's a second behind. So when it calls itself again, it is indeed the new destination. But then I'm going to make a second click, initiate a new set timeout so that they diverge. And according to both, they're always 1 second behind. So they both think they have the latest destination. Damn it. What if I move this into the set timeout? Will that help? Okay, I wonder. It's not even right. moving, stuck. Okay, what's happening on the back end? False, true. So destination is not reached. Cell destination is the same. It's always true. So that is our problem. It thinks both destinations are correct. It is not correct. Ooh, okay. All right, think about this, think about it. Oh, this makes no sense. So we received the cell, and we're immediately updating our destination. There needs to be an if condition saying if is nearer than the old one, then we update the destination. That's the missing link. Okay, if cell is newer than the database destination, then update the database. And that means I do need a DT created, in which case we can just undo, and undo. And then over here, DT created now. And then right before that, we want an if cell.dt created is greater than cell dot. I need to get, yeah. First, let's get it. Leave that const destination. Wait. Game dot find on ID game.id game._id. Okay, and then after the await, we want players find player.id triple equals current player units index 0 destination. Oh, okay. So that'll get us the destination, and then we need to check destination.dt created. And if it is, then we will do update. Okay. Yes. So we're getting the database destination. Let's make sure that's correct. And then if this is greater than that, oh, the front end needs to pass the date.now. Otherwise, this won't work. So let's go over to that container. And when we click, we have payload per player cell. So cell.x, cell.y, style class name. There's a lot going on here. Cell. Okay, so we need cell equals to a copy of cell, and DT created is date.now. Let's test that out. And it's off. Okay, it's just not moving at all. Let's see what happened. A lot happened. Refresh. Oof. Players is not defined. Update is depreciated. Maybe. Let's do it one step at a time. This is getting nasty. I'm gonna clean that up after I make this work. All right. not moving. Okay, that's good. We have console.destination is undefined, but we can check where this starts to fail. So we have players, units. Oh, I see. Units does not have a destination. Oh, okay. If cell dt created. Okay, so if no destination, or then we need to update. dt created of undefined. If no destination, then we should have proceeded cell.dt created destination.dt created, so it crashed there. We never reached that. So far it's making sense. Okay, so cell.dt created. Also, I prefer. So please. Okay, we are in motion. There are no errors. Let's try moving in two directions. Okay, that's not behaving. So let's move here and then move here. It ignored the second click. Okay. Is destination the same? False. Destination is 1.8. Destination is 1.8. Destination is 1.8. Destination never changed. Okay. Let's try that again. Let's go to the top. Didn't register. Yeah, that did not register. Why do? Okay. If cell.dt created, I have a feeling this doesn't work. So let's console like that. Put it there. Put that up there. And I'm just going to do a check on that. So move down and then up. Yep, it ignored the second one. So what do we have? cell.dt created timestamps destination dot dt created. They are the same. Let's look at the code. What did I do? Cell. Game instance find one. We're finding the old destination. We're checking if cell dot dt created is greater than destination dot dt created. I could also just console out that boolean. So like cell dt created should be greater than the previous destination logically, but kind of like double check that. Not moving. Not moving at all. Why? Oh, there's no destination here. Okay, there's that, and then there's that. What do we have? Cell dt false, false, false. It's always false. That's the problem. Okay, let's clean up these console logs. Why is this always false? So payload cell move troop set timeout. Payload. This needs to move out, I think. Can't put my finger on it, but I think that needs to move out. Even this. Just that. It's always false. Why is it always false? I need to see cell, and I need to see destination dot dt created. Okay, what do we have? Cell. Okay. That is different from that. So the first time around, date.now is that. Destination was undefined. That was false. Second time around, cell is 12, 6, 42, 36. It looks identical. Okay. Third time, 12, 6, T, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, 2, 2, 4, 2. That is also the same. Why are they always the same? This was the second click. Oh yeah, this should be the same. Let me make the second click yet. Okay, that's reasonable. So these two are different. That's probably not good. So I need to convert them to, what was it, UTC or something? Or I could do now date something, I forget. Date dot Google that. JavaScript turn date UTC timestamp. No, UTC to timestamp. I don't know. What do we have? So we have UTC day for year, get time, blah blah blah, new date. Oh, that works. New date. Okay, we can go here and do new date. Okay. Still false. So all these console logs aren't exactly accurate anymore. This would be a new date. Destination, and this is also a new date. So it created. Okay. Of course, they're different. Different types. Does that matter? But let's look at the numbers. 21, 4, 22, 4, 7, 23. This is different. Okay, we've got 22, 4, 7, 2, 3. 22, 4, 7, 2, 2. DT created should have been greater than destination at that point, but they're different types. So if we convert them to the same type, would that solve our problem? Is that? Why? Let's change our console log to test. Easier to read, but it is still returning false. Destination, question mark, destination, integrated, new date. Maybe I can't compare dates the way I am, but I feel like I should be able to. Otherwise, it'll be fine. So that's, oh, wait, what? Okay. True. That's good. So, okay, that's the same. Cell is greater, that reflected. And then we proceed to move. Okay, let's look at it visually. So I want to go down here. We're in motion. Now I want to go up here. Glitching, glitching, glitching. Not good. So what's the deal? What is the deal? So it looks like that true only came back one time. It needs to be consistent. What is wrong? I could also just use a set interval, but set intervals kind gonna get messy. I just need the right thing to go in here. Huh. Maybe that. So, greater than destination, node destination, or and cell and destination is destination latest. Oh, it is cell new. Cell.at. It looks like it should be this whole thing. Okay. No destination or is cell new. Is cell new. Is that? It looks like we can do that. Okay. And if we do, then this becomes redundant. But okay. Test that out. Yeah, much better. It's not moving to the right place, but it's not going to two places either. Okay, so it's only taking 2 steps. That's not great. 1, 2, gives up. 1, no, it still did something weird there, but why is it taking 2 steps? Alright, whatever this is, I feel like this is wrong. Okay, let's start from the top. First click, we get this cell, which is the target. Let's just first clean up these console logs, and then, all right, we have our game. We find the one from the database. Why are we finding the one from the database when we receive it? Also, I feel like we don't need to do that. Questionable, let's comment that out. So without that, we don't have that. And without that, we don't have that. Without that, we don't have that. It looks like we don't have any of this. So comment all of that out. We already have a game here, so we should use that. So we find the current player, and we find our troop. We wait a second to get new x equals troop.position.x. Huh? That doesn't make sense. It should be cell.position.x. If troop.destination.x. So what if the troop does not have a destination? Troop equals, okay, so I could tack it on. If no troop.destination, then troop.destination equals to cell. Now, if troop.destination.x equals to troop.position.x, what? New x equals troop.position.x, else if troop.destination.x is greater than troop.position.x, new x plus 1, else new x minus 1. Oh, okay. So if you're on the same row, you stay on that row. Like if where you're trying to go and where your troop is, that means you're in the right row, then you stay there. If the row is off by 1, you either move up or down 1. Reasonable. What's over here? Same thing, but for the y. Okay, you can go with that. What is this? This can be const game updated equals to, we're updating our position with our new x and y. That's reasonable. So the syntax could change though. We can just say dot position and delete that and delete that. Oh, I forgot my music. Okay.
We don't have any trap music.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's kind of loud. Okay. And then we send the game. Is destination reached? Troop da 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 da. Is cell new. No destination, no troop. Okay, I see. So troop dot destination equals cell. Okay. Troop dot destination. So greater or equal is cell new. Right. So if the cell is new and destination is not reached, then we will move the troop one more step. We do need to update the destination at some point. Probably here. If that's the case, then I'm going to go back. This can be 0, and this can be, oh wait, I can leave that alone, but do another set. Players.color. Now, I disagree. So, yeah, let's just delete position. Right? And then do position here. Oh, what did I do? Okay. So that's position, and then I want destination to also update. X is troop.destination. Y is troop.destination. And ET created is troop.destination. ET created. Oh wait, I forgot X and my Y. Okay. If no troop.destination. It looks like this again. It is so new. Or maybe not. So if there is no destination, then we update the destination. But if it has a destination, we're just gonna go with it. And that troop is coming from the passed in game, which is game JSON game updated. So that is the updated game, which means we have the updated destination. That's good. Troop.destination. And then if, let's say, I make a second click, then that cell is going to be newer. But it doesn't matter because we're not changing that. We should, though. So we need an OR. Let's write here. Cell DT created is greater than troop.destination.dt created. Yep. That should do it. Let's check it out. Move. Not moving. Oh man. What happened? Cannot read property. X of undefined. Oh, what is this? New X equals troop dot position. Oh, I'm just instantiating it here, but I might change. Oh, okay, yeah, that's valid. move. No. Replace undefined what? That's weird. Troop.title is undefined. Did I break troop? Yes, I did. So this is probably not good. Player unit 0. Position. Oh, I see. So dot troop and then position. Moving. Oh man. It's just not moving correctly. Troop.destination. So new date is greater than. I want to know troop.destination. And so new. Is newest is yes. So it's newest. Destination most recent. Okay. Where is it failing though? I guess I want to know that. Okay. True false is destination most recent. So what is this? And what is that? Invalidate. Okay. Troop.destination.dt created. First time around, they were the same. Second time around, we got invalid date. Current player comes from game.players.find. What is current player and what is troop? We're missing the date. Oh, interesting. Destination has no date. Okay. Troop.destination, so that means troop.destination equals cell. Okay, let's cancel. I want to see troop here. And also troop.destination equals cell. Okay, yeah, I want to see that. So, okay, we have destination over there with the date. Second time around, we don't hit that, but we do get our troop. So let's see out here. Oh yeah, so destination is missing. The date created on the second go, which means game JSON is wrong, which means game updated is wrong, which means something here is wrong. Set players units at index 0, copy troop position is that. Destination is that. DT created. Wow, okay. That's a typo. DT created troop.destination. .dt created. Oh, wow. That probably might have been it. Okay, refresh. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wonderful. 5. And let's go down here. Now let's change direction up there. No! Is destination most recent true. That's still happening. Okay. Troop. So we've got two conflicting destinations. They're both returning true. New date. Cell DT created. That is the same. So what's the deal? The DT created is the same. why. New date, no troop.destination, or new date, cell.dt created is greater than troop.destination equals cell. Set timeout. Troop.destination, triple equals troop.position. Game update. I want to know what this is. Okay. New destination equals game updated. Dot players dot find player where player. Why do I keep missing? Player dot ID triple equals current player ID. Dot units at 0 dot destination. And before I can do that, let's do JSON dot parse, JSON dot stringify. Game updated, and then that, and console of that. We can comment that out. Actually, I'll keep that. Troop, I don't need for now. Okay. New destination is 26. New destination is 26. New destination is 81. 2681. Huh. Huh. I have an idea. All right, so let new destination. Hold on. Can I do it if here? I wonder. MongoDB update if. You can't. No. Okay. But I could do it outside of the update. Let's see. Okay. Troop dot destination. I think so like that could very well be outdated true.destination. I don't want to always update destination. That is a lie. Take this out. And if we do that, then we can now do it here. All right. So more accurately, we could say so. Okay. Okay. And this makes sense because we only want to update the DB if it is a newer destination than the previous. If we keep flip-flopping and updating the destination with both the new and old, of course it's not gonna work. So that makes sense. Okay, and we can delete that and delete that. Also delete that. And test this out. Oops. Where is it? Moving, changing direction, moving, changing direction. Okay, it's kind of working. A little bit glitchy, but definitely better than what we had. And what if two people move at the same time? Nice. Okay, it works. Now let's have them intersect. So this guy can go to layer and this guy can go to layer. Oh, they just missed each other. But yeah, they're both able to move. And it's quite, it's not as buggy as I expected it to be. Okay, good, good, good. I like it. We can do some code review and see if we could clean up the code in any way. Good. Let's see. Okay. So let's close that. Close that. We have our payload, and we're doing this stuff. Actually, I feel like this could all go in this set timeout. Because payload's the same. It really doesn't matter. But, like, it'll be easier to follow if it's just all in there. Make sure I didn't break anything. Oh. Oh. Having to set timeout outside does matter, it seems. Oh yeah, it heavily matters. Okay, undo. Okay, I can see it right where it is. Oh, okay, it makes sense. Oh, this update needs to happen immediately. Okay, and then troop destination. We are updating the position only. Let the handling of updating destination be done separately. And lastly, this is a bit redundant. Maybe we can do something about that. If no troop dot destination or new cell greater than this destination most recent cell DT created greater than troop destination DT created, they're almost the same. But that equal sign makes a big difference. I'll leave them separate. Okay. So we change this Y, troop that destination from cell. Oh, it's easier to read like this, in my opinion, so we could keep that. And over here, we just changed it. Same thing, but different syntax. This we significantly changed. Oh wait, this is the same as before. We added this, okay. And that is important because we don't want it to go in two directions. And lastly, we're adding the new destination. Okay, instead of the old. Reasonable. Let's look at this, and that's fine, that's fine. Let's push it. Units able to move to glitch, and moving and trying to move to new destination while in motion. Yeah, that's good. Glitch. Okay, this closes number 5. And let's also merge the front end. We can only change the type. What else? what's different here? Oh yeah, that's important. Date.now. And this, okay. That looks good too. Able to move troop unit to new location. Hit push. Okay. That's merged and that's merged. We're in a pretty good spot. Okay, so what's next on the agenda? We have prevent bug work. Oh, isn't that what I just did? Wait, did I misinterpret the previous ticket? Oh god. Save destination when moving troop. Prevent bug where double click. Oh, they're the same thing actually. Yeah, I could delete that. Okay, just remove. Okay, players have multiple troops. Okay, so that will address the hard coding that I've been doing, where we have units and then I hard code index 0 and do it in 2 locations. So we can instead do a for loop there, and then we'll go through every single unit instead of just the first unit. But I'm going to take a break. And it's going to be a long break. Maybe come back and I'm going to say, I don't know when I'll be back. Either in 3 hours after dinner, or it might be next week. So far, where we are, let's do a recap. Oh, I closed it, but basically we can move troops to different locations at the same time, update their location with no issue, and also if they are within range of each other, they will attack each other. So that's pretty good for starters. I will add though that I want to allow the troops to stop in their tracks if they come in contact with the enemy, and that would be like a user's decision. Enable player to choose if the unit they move should stop in their tracks to attack enemy. So that can go here. API? Yeah, API for sure. Actually, I think this should go before that. As a matter of fact, this should go before that. Yeah. Okay, cool. So I'll see you next time, and thanks again for watching me struggle through this. We're figuring it out bit by bit. I'll see you again.